Hi, I'm JD from the Coach Support here with Kajabi in 5 minutes. If you're looking around for information about Kajabi and wondering if it's going to be the tool that will be best for your business, this is a good place to hang out and watch some videos. I've been using Kajabi for over 4 years now, and this channel is dedicated to giving insights and tips, answering questions, tutorials, and just providing general information. I'm a partner with Kajabi, and I love helping people sign up and test out the platform and see if it's right for them. So if you have some questions, search them out here. And if you think it is time to start a trial for Kajabi, then check out the bonuses that I give all of the people who sign up with my partner links. Yes, you can get a 30-day free trial here, and sometimes more depending on what promotions are going on. And on Kajabi's website, you can only get 14 days. So already that's a great bonus. But I'll give you 30 days of one-on-one support if you sign up using one of my links, as well as two other bonuses. We have a strategy meeting to get to know, for me, to get to know what you're doing and the best way for me to help you out. And you can also get access for 2 months to my weekly office hours, where you can come in, share your screen, and get the help you need, every week. So these bonuses are really designed to help you get the most out of your trial, to figure out if Kajabi is going to be something that works, if it's something that you like and can use, and also just to flatten the learning curve, to smooth out those bumps. So you don't have to come back to YouTube and search for things that hopefully are going to answer your questions, but you can just ask me directly and I'll just give you an answer. It works really well. It makes a big difference. If you're curious about how that works or whatnot, then check out some of the links for my bonus page to learn about those affiliate bonuses. But I'm glad you're here, and I hope that you can figure out what you're looking to figure out about Kajabi.